Hi, everybody. This is Jason Fettig, current director of bands at the University of Michigan and former director of the President's Own United States Marine Band. I'm really thrilled to be presenting a short clinic for the Servant Leadership Association for Music on Sunday evening. The topic I'm going to cover is largely about resilience in our leadership and in our music making and trying to get through times that are tricky or challenging or sometimes discouraging, and strategies on how to stay focused on what it is we do and why we do it. I'll share a couple of stories about my time in the Marine Band, some challenges I had, some successes that I experienced, and all of these experiences leading to where I am today here at the university. I'm really thrilled to have the opportunity to talk to you all, to answer some questions, and to just be a part of this wonderful community talking about servant leadership. I hope you'll consider joining us on Sunday, and I look forward to meeting you. Take care.